Hi, welcome to DG5 Digital Inspiration Factory. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. We received a query from a subscriber.
Hi, I am a 25-year-old working in a software company. I love my job. Last week, my team leader called me and asked me to present to the rest of the team on the module I had been working on in 20 minutes the next day. This was my first presentation. I was so tensed about the meeting even though I knew about the module I have been working on very well, but the fear to present to 20 plus people in the room was so much that my heart started beating fast, my palms were sweating, and my mind was going blank. I completed the meeting in 10 minutes about the module and had to rush out to the restroom as fear had gripped me fully. It was a disaster. I would like you to tell me how to overcome my stage fear.
Thanks for asking. Please remember that all great speakers and trainers have gone through this during their initial phase. It is okay what happened that day. There is always time to improve. I really appreciate and congratulate you for the 10 minutes you stood in front of the team and spoke. Fear is a natural reaction. Please understand that everyone gets fear and most of them overcome their fear with an extra ounce of courage and acts as though they are fearless. I would recommend you to do the following to practice. The first and the foremost thing that you need to do is to prepare the content for your speech. Even though you know the work you are doing very well, logically arrange it so that it interests the audience. You could split your content to make it easier for the audience to understand. It is important that you prepare the content even if you are given a short notice of 2 hours. The next step is to practice the content you have prepared. Talk 2 or 3 times the content you have prepared in front of the mirror. Talk slowly and keep your voice loud. Watch your body language in the mirror as you speak. Take a note of your facial expression while speaking. If your expression is serious, make it normal. Watch out for your body posture, the way you stand while talking. Make sure your posture is erect and conveys to your audience that you are confident. Practice moving your hand while talking rather than keeping it stiff. Don't try to complete your speech in one go. It is important that you insert pauses in your speech so that your speech reaches your audience effectively. After practicing in front of the mirror, try it in front of your family members or close friends. While doing so, practice eye contact. Don't get your eyes glued to one person, but keep eye contact with everyone in the room. Ask for feedback from your family and friends and improve on those areas. You record your presentation on your phone and see what areas you could improve. It could be your voice, your body language, your posture, etc. Now that you have practiced your content, you need to focus on your dressing as well. On the day of your speech, be positive. Dress up well for the occasion. Wear a smart and a comfortable dress. It is very important to look good. How an audience perceives you is half the battle when you walk out on stage. People make an assumption within the first 15 seconds of seeing the presenter. You only have one chance to make a first impression, so dress smartly. The next point is the most crucial one. In any presentation, the most fearful moment is the 1 minute before your stage entrance. Use the tactic of elite athletes by visualizing a positive outcome and using deep breathing to reduce stress and build confidence. When you speak, visualize in your mind that all the audience in front of you don't know the topic and they are eager to listen to you. Every time you make an attempt to speak in public, pat yourself that you have moved forward by one step. Keep improving each time you speak. Don't be harsh on yourself. Accept criticism and get used to it. You will be the best speaker if you keep on improving. These approaches will help you to overcome the fear of public speaking and transform the tension of stage fright into a relaxed and natural presence. Stop worrying about what can go wrong and get excited about what can go right. That's the thought I'd love to share with you today. Change your thoughts, change your life. The choice is yours. Celebrate life. Have a great day. Thank you for listening and please subscribe Digital Inspiration Factory.